Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Son? Who's my son?
And I'm back with another video. What's going on, guys? How's everyone doing? Hope all is well. If you are brand new to the channel, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below. Like I said in yesterday's video, guys, we're closing in on almost 3,000 subscribers, and my next giveaway will be at 5,000 subscribers. So you heard me, 5. I did 5 when I had 10 fingers up. Well, 9.5 because I got a half a finger. Anyway, guys, today we're going to be doing something a little bit different on the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I get set up for my Instagram shots. If you follow me on Instagram, if you don't follow me on Instagram and you don't follow me on Twitter, my links will be down below at the son of some man. But this is where I started from. I started from taking, pictures of my sneakers on Instagram. So, I used to take some really horrible shots, bro. But then I've learned, over the years, how to take better shots, how to, take better angles, how to, edit the pictures better and whatnot. So I figured I'd bring this, content to you guys, and maybe if you guys don't know, how to take dope Instagram photos of your kicks and whatnot, maybe this video will help you. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Fresh pair of socks, fresh pair of undies, fresh pair of pants, shirt. Alright, now that we got the outfit, now we gotta pick the sneakers. So let's do that. Alright guys, first we gotta start by picking the shoe. So what sneaker am I gonna go for? Should I go for the Yeezy? No, fear of God. I want to reshoot these, but I want to reshoot them with a different camera. So let's, you know what? My suggestion would be go for your most favorite sneaker of all time. Okay, so now we got the shoes. You know what? I'm gonna take a shower real quick.
Cause they know I'm the king of the cool jack. Get out of here, you nosy little pervert, or I'm gonna slap you silly.
Alright, so as you guys seen, I went with my favorite sneaker. I went with the Air Jordan 5 Metallic. It's my favorite sneaker. You guys can go whatever you guys want with. You want your favorite sneaker, your most hype sneaker, your most non-hype sneaker, whatever you guys want. That's all that matters, is that you like what you're taking a picture of. All right, now let's go and look for some surroundings. All right, now the lighting is very important, so you want to go outside. Sorry for the wind, guys. It's pretty cold out here too, especially just getting out of the shower. Freezing. Anyway, go outside, look for your surroundings. Me, I can't go far right now because my wife has to actually go pick my son up from school. So I just want to show you guys a little quick, this is what I use, honestly. I use the back of this brick wall, as you can see. So I'm gonna take my pictures, and I'll see you guys in a sec. All right, guys, so what I did was simple. I used my camera's Wi-Fi and connected it to my phone. And then, as you can see, here, I started taking pictures. Now, these are not edited yet. I'm gonna show you guys how to edit them in just a sec. Just wanted to give you guys a closer look at it before I start editing them. All right, so that's pretty much it. You gotta get your fit right, pick your sneakers, then you gotta go find, some good lighting, which I prefer outside all the time. Indoors you could do it, but like I said, the lighting is what's key. But now let's go inside and let's edit these photos, and I'll show you guys how to do that as well. It's really not that hard. Anybody could do it. You just got to get yourself a camera, got to get yourself a phone, got to get yourself some sneakers. You got to get a lot of things, but if you get those things, it can be accomplished. All right, guys, so we are back. I know it didn't take too long. Not sure if you know, but 6s are my favorite number. Wanted to ask if you can lock down a pair if you can for me. Excuse me, somebody wants a pair of infrared 6s and they need them locked down, so I gotta help my boy Lou out. Lou, if I could get them for you, I got you, bro, don't worry. Alright guys, so anyway, now on to the editing process. So, I got Adobe Photoshop Lightroom CC. That's what I use. I'll show you guys one sec here. Alright, so this is what I use here. Lightroom, all photos. As you guys see, those are the photos I took. You press here, add photo, Let's go to the first photo. Okay. Alright, so we went with the first photo. As you can see, you got plenty of options: shadows, whites, blacks, exposure, contrast. But me, I usually just hit auto and then bang. It kind of, you know, fixes the picture itself, but then I mess with it. I'm gonna go 00 on the exposure, and then always with the whites. See, it went to 33. I usually bring it up to 50 because I'm wearing white pants, so kind of makes it pop. And we got another option, which is the color option. I usually leave it as shot, but we could check it out for auto. As you see, it'll make the bricks in the back pop a little bit more. Sorry about that, guys. But like I said, I usually leave it as shot, and then I mess with the saturation, which will bring the brick color out, which is pretty dope. Then we got effects, which is clarity, which just is, I usually bring it up to around 7. Kind of gives it a darker look. Oh, I did that. That was the dehaze. I usually leave it up to 7 as well. Now the clarity will go up to 7 as well. So that'll be done. Then I go to the detail options. It's got sharpening, which will sharpen your picture, which I bring it up to 50. If you bring it up past 50, it gets a little bit too sharp. Then the details as well, I bring up to 50. Check. Hit the check. Oh, wait. Hit the check. Okay. Hit it again. Top button. Hit the top button. Hit the top button. Save to my camera roll. Small 2048. And the photo's done. And that's what it looks like. But I'll show you guys better photos in a sec. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much how I take my photos, how I edit my photos, and I post them to the gram, you know what I mean? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. Remember, you guys are the most loyal subscribers on YouTube, so stay loyal. Until next time, it's your man, the son of some man, and I'm out. Peace, guys.